Hello everyone, this is Mehdi, and in today's tutorial I will show you how you can make this shape in Adobe Illustrator by using transform effect. Before we start, please take a second, hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel if you want more videos about Photoshop and Illustrator. Without further ado, let's jump into our video. So we are in Illustrator and I want to start by making a big rectangle for background. Like this. Now make a new layer and lock the background so we don't move it mistakenly. Choose ellipse tool, go to center of your artboard, hold Alt and Shift and make a circle like this. Now select the circle, press Ctrl C and then press Ctrl F to paste it in front. Hold Alt and Shift and make the circle smaller. Now go to Object, Blend options. Choose specified steps and here type the number of circles that you want between these two. Now select both circles and go to Object, again Blend, and this time Make. Now when circles are selected, go to Blend again and expand them. With direct selection tool, select this part and press delete on the keyboard. Now select everything, hold Alt and Shift and make your shape smaller and move it to the top side of your artboard like this. Now when your shape is selected, go to Effect, Distort and Transform and then Transform. First thing, check the preview and click here. For copies, I want 5 copies, so in the end we have one main shape and 5 copies, so we have 6 shape in the end. So I should divide 360 by 6. And now we should play with these two horizontal and vertical values till we satisfy. I think this is good, so let's click OK. And now we should zoom in and we should fix this part. So we want to delete this bottom part, so we should cut our shape from here. V is the shortcut for selection tool. We press V, click on the shape, select it, and then P is a shortcut for pen tool. We press P and we make a anchor point here, V, P, and like this we make anchor points on this line. Now with direct selection tool, select this bottom parts and press delete on the keyboard. Now select the shape with selection tool and go to properties panel. If you don't have this panel here, you can add it from here. So select the shape and in properties panel you can see the transform effect. Click on it and we should play with this to value again to fill this gap. Now we should repeat the same process that we did for this part for bottom part. Now select the shape, go to Object and expand appearance. Go to Object again, expand and hit OK. Now from Pathfinder, if you don't have it, you can add it from Window, right here. From Pathfinder, click on Unite. Remember, after you do this, you can't change the transform effect anymore. Now select the shape and align it to the center of your artboard. For the last step, you can select the shape and change the color and size of it as you want. Thank you for watching. I hope this video be helpful for you. Don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you want more videos about Photoshop and Illustrator. Stay awesome and I will see you in the next one.